Welcome dear traders. I'm going to share to you analysis of top cryptocurrency pairs, best accurate entry points which I opened, and we are starting right now. My name is Yuri. I'm top offer on trading you. I recommend you to push like and follow me because you will gain a lot of stuff here on this YouTube channel. Today, as you can see, I will analyze for you first. It would be Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, and after that Ripple and Lite Coin. There would be time links below this video if you want to watch only your instruments which are interesting to you. Okay, let's start. First, a few words about Bitcoin. Finally, Bitcoin broke this huge trend line. At this moment, it is a huge possibility that Bitcoin will start uprise. Also, another reason why I think that uprise can happen, because as you can see, my friends, today I sent this news into our Discord free rooms. That would be linked below. You should follow. You should join. As you can see, House of Democrats approving Biden's 1.9 trillion stimulus plans. That means a lot of money will be printed, and it also will impact for cryptocurrency pairs. At this moment, if you if you follow me long enough, what I can tell you at this moment, I recommend you to trade it, and especially if you open a trade at breakout, because after trend line breakout, with huge possibility price will continue its uprise for many days. And at this moment, as you can see, this breakout were yesterday, but still in this area, I recommend you to open a position in this area. Set stop loss below this low, because with huge possibility, uprise will continue and will be really good and long. My friends, right now hit the like button, subscribe, and the bell that you don't miss updates in the future. Also, below this video, the Discord community you will find in description here. You should join our Discord community here. Okay, let's go to another instrument which I already opened, because on Ethereum I already opened a position. A few hours ago in our VIP room, as you can see here, take a look. In our VIP room, I already sent a call that I open a position on Ethereum before this trend line breakout. Take a look how beautiful it was. I love to trade trend line breakouts, because if you would open my trading view page, you would find plenty ideas where trend line breakouts worked well. And at this moment, as you can see, I already opened a position at 1,443, and my stop loss was at 1,400. And at this moment, as you can see, Ethereum rose up already. At this moment, Ethereum at 1,492. That means it rose up very well, and I'm happy of that. That's why, my friends, what can you do if you miss this opportunity? If you still watch this video, and I recommend you to open a trade in this area below 1,500, because if this breakout will be true, that means with huge possibility price will rise minimum to, I think, huge possibility it will rise to 1,714, and another good and accurate key level could be even 1,974. I think it is a two key places to which price can rise. Here, before this key level, I will close half of my trade. If price will hit that area, that will mean that I will be without any risk at that moment. And here I will close second part, because I think price can retest at least this trend line as minimum. My friend, also remember that on our trading view on my Twitter account yesterday, I published many updates here on Cardano, Ethereum. I recommend you to, below this video, there would be a link on my Twitter account. I recommend you to open and follow me there. The next one, the next instruments which really interesting for me at this moment, it is Cardano. Yesterday, I also recorded a video about Cardano. As you can see, I wrote that I see Cardano at 1.2 USD. Major reason for that is you can compare Cardano to Bitcoin. And take a look, when we compare it, take a look on this. Symbols, also daily chart, and take a look here. I would compare Bitcoin. While Bitcoin dropping, as you can see, yes, Cardano first day also dropped, but after that, as you can see, Cardano rose up even from this area nearly 40% while Bitcoin dropped. That means if at this moment Bitcoin will break up this trend line triangle, Bitcoin will rise up, continue uprise. That means Cardano will explode even more. For my team, for my VIP room, yesterday I sent already update. I told to open a position when price would test this key level and when price would test this trend line. And at this moment, as you can see, yesterday they tested this key level. And if some of you listened to me yesterday and watch this, as you can see, Cardano, if you watch this Cardano, I recommend you just to hold it. If not, if you didn't open a position, my friends, with huge possibility you miss this opportunity. But still, if you just want to buy it without stop losses on stock market, still you can do it until price will break this trend line. Because if that would be breakout, it can rise up to USD really fast, and your stop loss would be too big for position. My dear friend, my name is Yuri. As I told you, I'm top off on Trading You, and we have two products which will help you trade better. First one, it is our trading course, where I'll teach you how to trade, how to identify trades, how to open best entry exit points. Here would be a link. I recommend you to read information. And also our VIP room here in Discord, as you can see, it is a VIP room where I share all my trades on everyday basis. As you can see, I record videos with updates on top cryptocurrency pairs. Also, we have Forex room. That's why right now there will be contact below. Also, you can write here on Telegram and ask all information. My team will reply to you. Thank you. The next one, that's why, once more, summarize to Cardano. It is bullish. It is even more bullish than other instruments. And a few words about Litecoin and Ripple. First, Ripple. As you can see, even Ripple finally broke this trend line. What's the main problem of Ripple? As you can see, it was a previous week when investigation had started, when Ripple and Security and Exchange Commission, they started that procedure. And at this moment, what's the main problem of Ripple? As you can see, if there would be good news, many people would buy it and would be happy to buy Ripple. But take a look what's going on. That it looks like no one wants to buy Ripple until that thing with SEC will be finished. I personally, to be honest, I am out of Ripple. I wait until price will show accurate entry point. By the way, a few days ago on our YouTube channel, I record this lesson about how to trade Ripple, and here is how to trade false breakout. It is one of the best. As you can see, that would be such a thumbnail. It is a Ripple chart, and as you can see here, price made this beautiful false breakout, or this false breakout. I would wait for better picture. For me, what would be really good if there would be breakout of this trend line, or better would be if there would be wedge pattern and volatility here will decrease, and after breakout of this, that could be really good entry point for Ripple. And my friend, the last one, the last analysis for you for today, it would be Litecoin. About Litecoin. Why Litecoin really interesting for all of us? Because if you would compare Litecoin to Ethereum, you would see that they move really close to each other. Okay, let's open Litecoin and Ethereum. Take a look here. It is Litecoin, and take a look on this one. It is Ethereum. Take a look. They move really together. Take a look, my friend. Even they started this. Take a look. Even this candle, all of this candle really very close to each other. And at this moment, I think they can move together. If Ethereum showed to us really good and beautiful bullish picture, if Ethereum at this moment already broke all of these trend lines, that means the huge possibility Litecoin will follow it. And at this moment, what can I tell you? At this moment, price still before breakout, still there a chance to open a position in this area, to set stop loss in this area. If rise will happen, that would be a good movement. My friend, remember to push like and subscribe and hit the bell, because if this video will get at least 500 likes, I will do update even tomorrow for you. For me, it's important to see that this format is really useful for you. That's why right now I ask you to push like, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Also, below this video, you should scroll down and you will find our social media. Here is information about our programs you can join. And here is best crypto exchange if you're looking for a safe place for your crypto money. Thank you for watching. That would be next 2 lessons which will be useful for you. Bye.